Hi everyone, how's it going? Welcome back. I just got in from the gym. I just had the world's fastest shower. I'm literally still sweating. I'm in a huge rush because it's my grandma's birthday. Happy birthday, grandma. And I need to leave in less than an hour. And I look like this. I'm in a rush. I don't really have time to be filming this video, but I really want to get it up for you. So today I'm testing out Benefit's latest launch. This is the Hello Happy foundation, but this is the Flawless Brightening foundation. They have got the original Hello Happy, but that was a little bit too matte for me. I wasn't a huge fan, but that's just because I have dry to combination skin, so I like a little bit of dew, a little bit of glow. I'm being bougie and wearing my Benefit robe right now because I need to basically air out. I look like a hot mess. If you're new, please subscribe because this is the quality content you can expect from me. Whacking on my regular skincare. I'm also going to use all of my usual primers and concealer and setting spray and everything to give it a fair review, compare it to what I'm used to. I'm also very, very pale right now, so I hope that the shade they've sent me matches me because I am usually a bit more of a bronzed queen. Right now I'm pasty and I'm blending in with my robe. And excuse me while I obnoxiously drink a protein shake. Oh, that was a huge chunk in that. Oh. Let's talk about these claims. So they've kept to the same packaging as the original foundation, except obviously the bottle will be a different shape. So this is a medium coverage liquid foundation with SPF 15. Instantly adapts to brighten your skin in any light, helps boost radiance. It's got hyaluronic acid, so it keeps your skin hydrated. It's got 12-hour long wear. 96% said it looks flawless and 90% said the complexion looks brighter. I was kindly gifted this and I've been gifted the shade 4. And then they've also launched the powder foundation. This is a dual coverage powder foundation. Use a brush for light coverage and a sponge for medium to full coverage. So I'm actually going to use both of these today. I'm going to use the liquid foundation and then I'm going to set my skin using the powder. So here's the packaging. I actually really like it. It's got the cute little smiley face. It's got the chrome lid. It's a glass bottle. It feels nice and heavy. It feels nice quality. So here is my skin. You can see I've got the remnants for breakout. I've got a little bit of redness, a bit of scarring on my cheeks, but I haven't got any active breakouts at the minute. I'm gonna prime as I always do with my NARS Radiance Primer. So my preference when it comes to a foundation is I like a medium to full coverage. I like it to be glowy. And I really just like to put it on and not think about it for the rest of the day. You know, I do my makeup once in the day. I don't want to have to worry about really touching up. I rarely touch up my makeup if I'm out and about. So this shade does look like it's going to be a little bit dark for me. I'm going to shake it. And she's not crazy thick, but she is thicker. It's got a light fragrance. I'm going to apply this with a sponge. I'll do one half of my face. I mean, the shade's not perfect, but once I put concealer and stuff on, I think I'll be able to make this work. So Benefit is one of my all-time favorite brands. They are my most trusted brand for brow products. I used to love their Oxygen Wow foundation, which is why I was so disappointed when I didn't like the Hello Happy original, just because of how matte it was. So I'm really hoping to like this. So that one pump has done this part of my face. So I'm gonna go in with a second pump. You can see there, it has oxidized a little bit where I put fresh product on top of the product that's been sitting on my skin. It does look a bit lighter. So take that into consideration when choosing your shade. I don't always think that oxidization is a bad thing. One of my all-time favorite foundations, the Urban Decay All Nighter, oxidizes horrifically, but you just need to compensate with the shade because the formula is worth it. But I hope this foundation does not play me today because grandma likes to take pictures. So here is a comparison of the two sides. What I'm gonna say is it's definitely oxidizing. So I just hope it doesn't oxidize too much more throughout the day because that could be embarrassing. It's okay with my arms, it's just not matching my chest. I'll just wear a jumper that covers my chest. It's a natural finish. It's not particularly radiant. I'll start on the other side because I don't have time to wrap it on too much. I would definitely say this is more of a natural finish than a radiant finish. Definitely medium coverage, like I'm sure I could build this up to full, but I think it would take a lot of product and a lot of time. And if you want to get up to a full coverage, I'm kind of like, you might as well just use a full coverage foundation, you know, rather than just building and using loads and loads of product. But it does look lovely. It looks really natural. It feels very lightweight. It doesn't feel heavy on my skin at all. I'm just going to quickly do the rest of my makeup and then I'll be right back when I set with powder. Okay, I've done my brows and I have done my concealer. My concealer blended really, really nicely. It didn't go weird. It didn't separate in any way. And I have set under my eyes. So now I'm going to go in with the Hello Happy Velvet Powder Foundation and I'm going to set the rest of my skin. Now, I'm not going to lie, I'm a bit concerned because I'm already quite orange. So I'm just going to use this quickly down the neck. I don't feel like I need any more coverage, but I feel like I should try this out. This foundation doesn't feel sticky. It feels like it kind of dries down, but that's how we look. I think my skin looks lovely. It is just quite matte. It's not what I was expecting. I really thought I'd be more glowy. I am pretty matte, but I really like this powder. It feels super soft. I only used a little bit, so I don't think it would have really any noticeable coverage, but I'm impressed. Let me finish my face. There we go, you guys. I am ready to go. I need to leave in 10 minutes. I don't know what I'm wearing. I'm surprised I've managed to actually get ready as quickly as I have. I'm pretty proud of myself. I'm kind of really impressed with how my skin looks. I think my skin looks gorgeous. It feels like it's set in place. I feel like this will last a long time. I don't feel like it's gonna go anywhere anytime soon. No, it's not as radiant. Sorry, please excuse my hair. It's literally wet. Even though it's not as glowy as I was expecting, I still think my skin looks beautiful. It looks really flawless and it looks really natural. The actual foundation itself has a really natural look and feel to it. So I am gonna wear this for 12 hours. It is currently 10:30. So I will come back at 10:30. I probably will not touch up. So I will see you guys in 12 hours, but we're gonna check in with absolutely no touch-ups and we'll see how we look in 12 hours. Hey guys, it is now just gone 10 p.m. So I've had this foundation on for 12 hours. Let's have a look. Wow, okay, I'm super, super, super oily. Look at my forehead. I'm gonna test out the powder to see how it works with top-ups, see if the foundation picks up or goes patchy. No, that almost looks good as new. So here's how things are looking. You may notice that under my eyes, it's gone, basically. I was at my grandma's today, and obviously with my papa recently passing, today was her birthday, and I got a little bit emotional and I had a bit of a cry, but it was this very, very, very small cry. Literally like 2 tears, and I just went boop and boop, and all of the foundation came off. Literally all of it. I looked at my fingers and I could see the foundation on my fingers. Now, I wore a full beat to Papa's funeral and my makeup was completely in place at the end of it and I was weeping. So the fact that 2 tiny little tears has done that much damage is a little bit concerning to me, saying it's a 12-hour wear foundation. If I was sweating, this would break apart. However, the finish is gorgeous. I liked how it looked more and more and more throughout the day as it started to wear in, as the natural oils started to come through, but then it just got a little bit too oily. So I liked how it looked about 3 hours ago, and then it started to go a bit too oily. If I just did a touch up, I reckon that I would absolutely love this foundation because it still looks really good. Just don't wear it on a day when you know you're gonna cry. My contour, my blush, my highlight, it's all very much still there. It's all still in place. It all looks really good. Would I recommend this foundation? Absolutely. I really, really do think it looks nice. It's also rubbed off where I've been itching my nose because of hay fever. Other than that, I still think it looks really nice. I just need a little bit of a tan because the color is not great for me. So guys, let me know down below, would you buy this foundation? Are you intrigued by it? I'd say it's definitely lasted the 12 hours, but you would need to do a touch up. But I really, really like this powder. This is gonna go in my makeup bag. I really love the finish of this. It is glowy. My skin definitely feels hydrated, and it was definitely a medium coverage. So it's ticked all the boxes really. I'm excited to play with this more, try it with different primers. Maybe if I use something a bit more mattifying just on my T-zone, it might last a little bit longer. First impressions aren't the most accurate thing because obviously different products react with each other, so I'd like to try this with a few other primers. But so far, so good. I'm really impressed. I really like this foundation. I just would need to powder a little bit more often than normal, but that's okay with me really. I'm not overly fussed. Yeah, let me know what you think down below. I've linked the products down below as well if you want to check them out for yourselves. Thank you for watching. If you're new here, do be sure to if you're new, please make sure you subscribe. There is a little button down below. I'd love it if you would join us for future videos. And yeah, I'll see you guys really soon. Bye.